We're looking now at a 19th century book, an early 19th century book in probably a late 19th century binding. It's quarter leather with raised bands and gilt lettering, marbled boards, marbled end papers, like so. We see that the covers are well attached. The book, the leather is supple. The paper is rubbed, but overall the book is quite well preserved physically. It's a very interesting custom book plate right here, and here's another engraved book plate there. We see that the half title is here, and here is the title page, 1821 Paris as a journal of sieges in Spain during the Napoleonic Wars. It's translated from the English. This French edition here has wide margins, untrimmed as issued. There is some scattered damp staining throughout. And at the rear of this volume are these 5 large folding battle plan maps, which are engraved, that show different sieges. This one's 1812, and here we see the fortified city with the ramparts and the terrain, because the map is attempting to depict and capture the troop movements and the effect of the terrain upon the battle, so to speak. And so they are essentially military. It's military cartography in a sense. That's the main purpose of it. It's not tourist cartography or pictorial, beautiful images like city views, etc. Here's another one. And the final map here is this one. And this book is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.